Hello, everyone. My name is Widodo. I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I will present the ABS 293, and my title paper is Mobile Learning Platform with Joyful Learning Approach. There are three main reasons. Uh, the, um, the background of this research. The COVID-19 effect. The COVID-19 pandemic has pioneered simultaneous online learning, and online learning has occurred almost all over the world during the COVID-19 pandemic. Teachers and educators, as an important element in teaching, are required to make an unprecedented massive migration from traditional face-to-face education to online education or distance education. This is supported by technological development that are not limited to the current 4.0 industrial revolution. Online learning is effective for carrying out learning even though educators and students are in different places. This is able to solve the problem students delay in obtaining the knowledge. Current conditions are urgent for innovation and adaptation related to the use of availability of technology to support the learning process. The practice requires educators and students to interact and transfer knowledge online. And online learning can take advantage of platform in the form of application, websites, social networks, and learning management system. These various platforms can be used to support knowledge transfer, supported by various discussion technique and others. And mobile learning allows students to mobilize the learning tools used so that they are not limited by space and time. This learning allows learners to gain knowledge individually without class restrictions, such as also a conventional or classical model that is usually done with which must be face to face in class with teachers. Mobile learning also gives students the freedom to be between classroom, outside the classroom, at home, the mall, in the field, and anywhere, as long as their location is reached by the mobile learning component. And this research aimed to find what is the specification for the development needs and the design of the development of mobile learning platform for learning mathematics with joyful learning approach. And this is the research method. And the research method is the R&D, research and development. That is a process used to develop a validate educational product. The steps of this process usually refer to the R&D cycle, with the model used in the study is the ADDIE model described in this figure. And the steps are analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The model was chosen because the ADDIE model is often used to describe a systematic approach to instructional development. In addition, the ADDIE model is a general learning model and is suitable for development research. This term is almost synonymous with the development of instructional system. When used in development, this process is considered sequential but also interactive, where the result of the evaluation of each stage can take the development of learning to the previous stage. The final result of the stage is the initial product for the next stage. As previous mentioned, that the purpose of this study is an analysis of the mobile learning platform requirement specification and the designs. In accordance with the objectives and limitation of the problem, the system to be built must meet the functional requirement of the system as follows. The first one is display the list of students with the tutor concerned in the lesson and able to display graphic, image, video, audio, and moving image and math apps. And the third one is provide a course or learning search facility, providing the possibility to view a list of lessons provided. And the fourth one is provide access to contact information, access to general information such as exam dates, handbooks, rules, and so on. And the sixth one is provide forum facilities for learning, convenient for students to collect learning assignment, support communication between users to provide alerts and other information related to learning, give an access to the sitemap, manage and store learning content, and provide learning tools in the form of calendar, provide features that combine text and speech in assignment, and automation of sending learning message, registration, approval, learning content, announcement, evaluation, assignments, learning time to users. And the 13th is provide synchronous learning. Meanwhile, the non-functional requirement specification is the system that we build is able to provide access to the learning desired by the users through a mobile device. Because there are so many type of cellular phones that are currently developing that have various capabilities and features. The system is expected to have sufficient interoperability to be used several of brand of cellular phone with certain processors, memory, and screen resolution. And um, the design math mobile learning platform regarding users and their role is shown in this figure. This figure shows that the teacher performs system administration related to students and application that will be used in learning math. And the teachers can also moderate the lessons managed by him. Furthermore, students can access the system anytime and anywhere. Meanwhile, several user interface design intended for students are shown the in this figure. You can this is the simplest design, and the student in the student menu there were consists 8 menus, namely the learn menus, assignment, forum, quiz, map, teacher contacts, settings, and information about the Math mobile learning platform. And on the learn menu, it will display various applications that can be used by students that have been managed by the teachers. And the teacher's menu will be more complete than the students because it will manage the whole learning for the students. The joyful side that is offered for this learning is that the selected application has been studied before by considering the application of learning math in the form of educational game. By default, this platform will collect math math educational game, and the teacher can activate or deactivate the application if it is not accordance with the learning needs. And this is the conclusion that based on the description above, it can be concluded that the needs related to the mobile learning platform include the needs of learning management related to students and learning application that will be used by students. The design on a mobile learning platform will be made in a simple but attractive design for students and includes 8 main menus and application in the form of learning games that are tailored to their needs. That's all that I can explain. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.